Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Roblox game crashes on mobile. So first of all, restart the app. Okay, close and reopen the app to refresh it, right? And check for updates. Ensure the Roblox app is updated to the latest version via your device's app store, and make sure that there is enough storage space on your device by deleting unnecessary apps or files. You can go ahead to the settings to do that, and then general, and then iPhone storage, and you're gonna be able to delete and create a clear cache. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cache. Lower the graphics settings in game by tapping the menu three dots and adjusting the graphics level to automatic or lower, and exit other apps running in the background to free up resources. And if crashes persist, you install Roblox and then reinstall it from your app store, and ensure a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can cause crashes. If problem continues, check the Roblox support page or community forums for additional help. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.